Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a picture collage in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is open, go ahead and open your sample project. This gives you a working space where you can arrange your images and build the collage layout more easily. If you already have a project prepared, opening it first helps keep everything organized before you begin editing. Next, drag your sample pictures into the timeline. This is where your collage starts to take shape. Placing the images in the timeline allows you to control how they appear in the project and makes it easier to adjust them one by one. Take a moment here to make sure the pictures are added correctly and are visible in the preview area. After that, click on one of the sample pictures and resize it. Resizing is an important part of creating a collage because it helps you fit multiple images together in one frame. Adjust the picture until it looks balanced and sits where you want it on the screen. Try to keep the image clear and well positioned so it complements the rest of the collage rather than covering too much space. Once you've done that, repeat the same process with another picture. Resize the second image so it works well alongside the first one. This is where the collage effect really begins to come together. As you adjust the images, pay attention to spacing and composition so the final result feels neat and visually appealing. A simple, clean arrangement often works best, especially if you want every picture to remain easy to see. Now click on the sample picture in the timeline again. Selecting the image directly from the timeline ensures you are editing the correct layer. This is helpful when multiple pictures are overlapping or when you need to make more precise edits to a specific image in your collage. From there, click on Mask and select a sample mask. Applying a mask changes the visible shape of the image and can give your collage a more polished and creative look. This is useful if you want your pictures to fit together in a more stylized way rather than just using standard rectangular frames. After selecting the mask, you can review the preview to make sure the effect looks the way you want. And that's how to create a picture collage in CapCut. Once your images are arranged, resized, and masked properly, your collage should have a clean and customized appearance. Take a final look at everything in the preview before moving on, so you can be sure the layout looks balanced and ready for your project.